Okay. Let's try to play this game normally. Proceeds to figure out the ghost instantly. And something light. Something light. Realistically speaking, what I need to do now is the all maps run. Because that's been delayed longer than a Phasmophobia Horde 2.0. You're the type of guy to play with Ryan Kirby. You'll make that into a funny edit, no cap. 20 degrees, like it's the low calorie diet. Tarot cards, eh? Say less. What we get? Okay, we got slave. Or no, that's what the heck was that one? Great. I don't know if the Gleam of Fate burned red or orange. I couldn't tell. Okay, well, the ghost is definitely on the left side. No question. Yeah, I guess we're just sitting here in this locker. It is definitely on the left side. Yo, like, I might even say this is a... I was gonna say Sayuri, but we didn't see Ecto. Look how long it's taken to get to me. Dude, it's gotta be like in that room with like classroom B, I think it is. Because there's no way it's taken this long to get to me. Heard it for like a split second. You're in the gym? How's it in the gym? What? Okay, well we gotta... What the heck? It closed both... Oh no. How is it in the gym? I didn't even... I would have heard that for sure. There's no way it's in the gym. What? That doesn't make any sense. I'm not even gonna check my sanity. Might be the biggest mistake ever. We could rule out fingerprints here. If I could find a door. No fingerprints. Okay. Good. You know, I don't like a ghost that has fingerprints. How are you here? How? It just doesn't make sense. The only thing I can think of, if it spawned like right in that corner, went on the left side immediately. Because we should have been able to hear it. Do we have Ecto? Where are you? Are you friendly? Where are you? Well, it's definitely not... I mean, it could be an Iblis because, you know, the game could be really bugged, so... I'm grabbing ESG. Hang on, what's my sanity? Okay, we'll take one pill. There's no early hunters, right? I mean, a yokai, I guess. I mean, realistically speaking, it could be a boogie because there's no. Actually, well, I feel like it would have turned on the light. Do we take another pill? Yo, my sanity just dropped. Maybe it is a boogie. Maybe it is a boogie. What time is it? Okay, I guess it could be a yokai. Yeah, let me take another pill. And let's get up to like 70-ish. And then I guess we'll bring in this. By the way, this is an iPhone 7 as the camera. I I realized that when Rizzy X pointed it out. He's like, yo, this is an iPhone as a camera. I'm like, oh yeah, it is. That's so weird. We're on a budget. Yo, manifest? Yo, manifest? Sorry about the noise in the back. This guy got the leaf blower like he's Ryan Kirby. Alright, Ghost, I'm gonna need you to do a manifestation real quick. Level 2. Level 2, like it's, I mean, I don't see it. But it could be. That's the thing about like hard and nightmare active can be. Whoa! Bro. Manifest? Manifest? Bro, that guy was creepy. Maybe Iblez? Definitely not an Iblez. She just walked away from me. Whippo? Oh, wait. Oh, it's a boogie. Okay. I guess that makes sense, right? So let's fill that in. I gotta be careful because I don't know where it is now. Oh crap. I think he's above me. I'm just gonna grab this and I don't even know what my objectives are. I need to look at that. I just heard it. Okay. So if you're wondering why it's a boogie, I heard a light switch turn on in the distance, and the boogie is the only ghost that could turn on a light during a hunt. There's some tips for you. 1%. Also, yeah. I'm gonna take this last pill like it's gonna do anything. What we gotta do? Photo of the ghost and pentagram. Okay, that's light. Hello, ghost. Could you manifest? Hello, ghost. Could you manifest? You boogie. Oh! Now's not the time. I'm out of sprint! Why do you have to spawn on top of me? What's up with these ghosts? Remember that Revenant from last game? And that's it, you found the ghost room. Fuck! Thing spawned on top of me. Rude. I'm about to die. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Great. Great. This is just great. I should really leave on this side, because... Is a pentagram here? Alright, I'm gonna just do this ritual real quick. Or not. Okay. Look how many lights are on, dude. Crazy. I'm just like imagining what you guys are hearing right now, like just some Lawn Mower's loud as frick. Okay. I also think it might have changed Ghost Room, so that's just perfect, right? That's just what we needed. Oh no, it's still in the gym, alright. Kinda wanna put salt down. kind of do want to put salt down. I need to do the thing on the circle. Maybe I'll put it here. And just hope that kind of works. Because if it doesn't and I lose my last crucifix here, then I'm kind of screwed. Where the heck are these elephants at? I gotta get them. Gotta do the ritual too. Kind of hoping the salt works. Maybe the salt worked. I think it might have worked. I think we might be good. Shout out to salt. Like, salt is kind of underrated. You gotta think of it. It's like the primary seasoning, right? It can also help you from not dying by demons, right? Can help you with a sore throat. I think salt is kind of underrated. Okay, I think we just need one more and then we win. Game was stressful as frick. So we won. We won. Unless this thing like literally double hunts within like 5 seconds. I think it's a GG right here. Look at this. Alright. Boom, boom. Look, he tried to hunt, but he can't. Alright, let's do this. So my strategy here is just wait until the light gets, the light gets on the crucifix. And then that's kind of it, really. Like right now. That's it. Easy exorcism. So, yeah, we're gonna pull these cards. Should we pull these cards? Should we pull these cards? Let's do it. What are the chances we get the guillotine card, right? It's only 1%. Only 1%. Okay, moon. Wait, what? What? You're exorcised. What? How are you hunting? Criminal. That is the first time I've ever seen that. Alright, well, let's double check if it's a boogie. Here we go.